Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Alright, now we're going to check the transfer case. We're going to raise and support the vehicle. We're going to use a 1/2 inch ratchet and a 1/2 inch extension. Stick it in the fill plug and we'll pull this out. We'll pull the fill plug out. A little bit stripping out. So we know it's full. A little bit overfilled, so we can let it drain for a minute. Okay, that's pretty good right there. So we know it's right level with the fill, so there's plenty of fluid in there. So now we can snug this up. If you find it leaking, you can use a little bit of pipe sealer around there. Just once it gets tight, just a little bit more snug. And that's good. And we can use some brake parts cleaner on this. The drain plug on this vehicle for the transfer case is right here. If you were to drain the fluid and refill it, you want to pull the fill plug out first to make sure you can get it out. Then you can drain the fluid out the drain plug. When you're checking this fluid, you want to make sure the vehicle is level. You don't want the back of the vehicle up or the front of the vehicle up while you're doing it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.